When people start taking drugs, it seems like they are going in heaven, but at the end, they reach in hell. Hello and good morning, everyone. Today, my lecture topic is drug abuse. Friends, if I define the drug abuse, it is a habitual taking of illegal drugs at very excessive amount, and also taking the psychoactive drugs like medication, pain medication, illegal drugs, alcohol, cannabis. Cannabis means ganja, afim, bhang, etc. As per 2019 report, that around 14.8% of the Indian population takes alcohol and around 2.8% of the Indian population takes cannabis. If I talk about the state of India with highest consumption of cannabis like gaja, afim, bhang, etc., then first position is UP, followed by Punjab, Sikkim, Nagaland, Chhattisgarh, New Delhi. Now let's talk what are the main reason of the drug abuse in India. Then first reason is if any family addiction history is available, then it also appears. Second, lack of involvement of family members and parents. Third, the taking early drugs at very low stage, like at in a teenagers. Fourth, taking highly effective drugs, then they become very addictive of the drugs. Now if I talk about the harmful effect of drugs, then there are two kind of effect. First is short term, second is long term. If I talk about short term, then the increasement of blood pressure, increase in lungs disease, also strokes, increase in heart disease, and in the long term effect, cancer, AIDS, hepatitis, and some other heart and lungs disease. Friends, if I talk about the government initiative and the recent development against to fight against the drug abuse in India, then most recently 2020 to 2021 government started Nasha Mukt Bharat, and there are three strategies that government have taken. First was the treatment, second was awareness, and third was narcotic bureau. Secondary, India have a NCB, Narcotic Control Bureau, that control the spread of drugs in India. Friends, in India have also signed many treaties and conventions with United Nations to combat drug abuse in India, such as United Nations Convention on the Drug Abuse 1969 and one convention in 1971. Friends, if I talk about my conclusion, then today India is a vast country with highly youth population in the world. And India is also lying as a sandwich between two regions, Pakistan, Iran, Afghanistan, and in eastern Malaysia, Thailand, and Laos. And these two regions are the most producing of the drugs and afim, ganja, and other narcotic products. So India need to be aware, and here education can play a very big role to fight against the drug abuse. And also family need to involve in the teenagers life, if they should careful about if they are taking narcotic products or not, because at the end the youths are the future of India, and the good health and the development of youth will decide the development of India. Thank you.